All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about how to use hotkeys in OBS, the incredibly powerful feature that will allow you to do all your switching from your keyboard. I love it. One of the best ways to use this is to set up all of your scenes in OBS on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can simply switch, and I'll show you right now, between all your scenes without even having to touch the mouse. So it's really great. So let's take a look at how to set this up. So first of all, I have a couple of these set up, and I'm just clicking my keyboard here. In fact, I think I can show this on the, well, I won't show it on the overhead, but I'll just show you guys how it's set up. So essentially, we go to File, and we go to Settings. You'll see that there is a Hotkeys area. So that area right there, just click that, and we can go right into Hotkeys and start setting them up. And I think OBS has set this up so well that I'm really blown away. You can see here that every scene essentially, so there's a bunch of like main stuff. So like start streaming, stop streaming, very important, right? Start recording, stop recording. Studio mode, to jump in and out of studio mode, how to do a transition. Now here's one I really like. So transition, I love spacebar for transition. So you can just click spacebar, boom, it's done. That's a really good one. Now sometimes you might want to do a cut instead. Maybe you want to do cut for spacebar instead. Let's just do cut for the example here. One of the great things is every scene essentially has its own setup. So every scene that you create, you can see over here, I've got my base scene, my scene with ticker. They're already pre-configured in the hotkeys area. So you can show and hide any source, and I really want to show this. So let's say we want to hide our front camera by clicking Z. Now, if it gets too complicated, then maybe it might not be too useful, but let's just show that off really quickly. So here's my base scene. You can see that I have a front camera and I have a ceiling camera, and by hitting Z, I've now hidden my front camera, and now it is showing the ceiling camera. Isn't that cool? So you can just set up shortcuts for almost everything inside OBS. So I will show off that spacebar transition, and then one to start recording is really great. One of the great things about this, and this is something that I've done for a long time, is if you're the OBS producer yourself, you don't have a producer, you're doing everything yourself, and especially if you're making videos for your business, for your brand, making presentations, you kind of know where you're going to go. So if you put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as your hotkeys, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, and then you're ready, boom, hit the space bar for transition. So I really like that space bar as a cut. And then, all right, I'm just about to leave number 1. I'm going to go to my ticker scene. Boom. Now I'm going to go to number 4, which is my overhead. Boom. Now I'm going to go to 5, which has my chat room. Now I'm going to go to an intro video. Boom, right? So a lot of people will do camera on them. They'll introduce the topic. They'll go to an intro video. Then they'll go to a presentation of some sort. So the ability to have it all with hotkeys and then cut with that space bar is going to make your life so much easier. You're going to be a lot more productive in OBS. And I hope that really helps you create videos even better than before. We've got a great course on OBS, so I hope you take it. Hit that like button, and don't forget to follow us here at StreamGeeks. We've got a lot of great new stuff coming out. Take care.